Are you trying to manifest the life you want, but you don't see any results, and it is making you frustrated, and you have started feeling like you can live the life you want to live? In this video, I will share with you my own story of how I applied Neville Goddard's law of assumption in my life. Additionally, I will explain to you how self-love can help you live in the end state that is most important to manifesting your biggest desire. So be ready, as this video is going to be a game changer. So watch this video till the end if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Let's get started. There are moments in life when we are faced with emotional pain that seems unbearable. It can leave us feeling lost, hopeless, and overwhelmed. For me, it was a time when I struggled to find a way to heal myself and move past the hurt. But then something happened, and it changed everything. I discovered Neville Goddard and his teachings, and they transformed my perspective on life. Before I came across Neville Goddard, I was struggling to find a way to overcome my emotional pain. It felt like a heavy weight on my shoulders, and I couldn't seem to shake it off. But then, in a moment of stillness, everything changed. All of my thoughts and pain disappeared, and I was left with nothing but clarity. It was as if I was finally able to see the world in a different light, and the answers to all my questions suddenly became clear. At that moment, I felt the whole universe and eternity inside of myself, and it was pure love. It was as if I had found the missing piece of the puzzle, and everything finally made sense. I realized that the power to heal myself was within me all along, and that I just needed to tap into it. It was an incredible feeling, and it completely transformed my life. Neville Goddard's teachings played a crucial role in helping me achieve this state of mind. His philosophy centers around the idea that we are all divine beings and that we have the power to create our reality through our imagination. He believed that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality and that we can manifest anything we desire by aligning our thoughts with our desires. This was a radical concept for me at first. The more I delved into Neville's teachings, the more I began to see its truth. I realized that I had been holding myself back with my negative thoughts and beliefs, and that by changing my mindset, I could transform my life. It was an empowering realization, and it gave me the motivation to work on myself and make positive changes. Neville Goddard believed that our imagination is God. Through his teachings, he helped many people understand the power of their imagination and how to use it to create their reality. For many people, their imagination is limited to daydreams or fantasies. However, Neville taught us that our imagination is much more than that. It is the key to manifesting our desires and creating the life we want to live. He believed that our imagination is the bridge between our current reality and the reality we want to experience. When we imagine something, we are creating a mental image of it. This mental image is like a blueprint for the reality we want to create. According to Neville, the key to manifesting our desire to make our mental image as real and vivid as possible. We need to use all of our senses to make the mental image feel as if it is already happening. When we do this, we are sending a message to the universe that this is what we want to experience. The universe then responds by bringing us opportunities and circumstances that align with our desires. Neville believed that everything we experience in our reality is a reflection of our mental image. This means that if we want to change our reality, we need to change our mental image. We need to imagine the reality we want to create and make it as real and vivid as possible. Neville taught that this is not just wishful thinking, but a powerful tool for creating our reality. One of the key teachings of Neville is that our imagination is God. This means that we have the power to create our reality through our imagination. However, this also means that we are responsible for everything that happens in our reality. We cannot blame anyone else for our circumstances because we are the ones who created them through our mental image. This can be a difficult concept for some people to accept. It requires taking full responsibility for our lives and our reality. However, it is also empowering because it means that we have the power to change our reality by changing our mental image. Neville also taught us that our imagination is connected to our emotions. The more we feel the reality we want to create, the more powerful our mental image becomes. This is why it is important to focus on positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude when imagining our reality. However, it is also empowering because it means that we have the power to change our reality by changing our mental image. Neville also taught us that our imagination is connected to our emotions. The more we feel the reality we want to create, the more powerful our mental image becomes. This is why it is important to focus on positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude when imagining our reality. When we imagine our reality from a place of love, we are creating a reality that is based on love. This means that everything we experience in our reality will be infused with love. When we imagine our reality from a place of joy, we are creating a reality that is based on joy. This means that everything we experience in our reality will be infused with joy. When it comes to manifestation, the concept of living in the end is often emphasized. It means to act as if your desired outcome has already been achieved and to feel the corresponding emotions. This is because your subconscious mind cannot distinguish between reality and imagination, and therefore accepts the feelings and beliefs you hold as true. Self-love can help with living in the end because it puts you in a state of feeling fulfilled and content with yourself, regardless of external circumstances. When you love yourself, you naturally have positive beliefs about yourself and the world around you. You no longer feel the need to struggle and strive to attain your desires because you know that you are already deserving and capable of having them. Living in the end also means letting go of attachment and surrendering to the universe. You trust that everything is happening for your highest good and that the universe will bring your desires to you in the perfect timing and way. This requires a deep sense of self-love and trust in the universe. Self-love also allows you to detach from the outcome of your desires. When you are in a state of self-love, you no longer feel the need to desperately cling to a specific outcome or to try to control the circumstances. You are content with who you are and trust that the universe will bring you what is best for you, even if it may not be what you initially envisioned. Living in the end is the concept of feeling as if your desire has already come true. The feeling of fulfillment is what you are after, and Neville teaches us that the feeling is what manifests the desire. When you think of the result, feel the joy and satisfaction as if it has already happened. That is how you manifest your desires. Self-love plays a vital role in living in the end, as the feeling of self-love is the feeling of fulfillment. When you truly love yourself, you are in a state of fulfillment, and everything you desire is already here. Living in the end means feeling the emotions of the desired state in the present moment without attaching yourself to the physical reality. It means to feel as if it is already done, and to maintain that feeling until it manifests. Self-love allows you to maintain the feeling of the desired state without any resistance. You love yourself and your desires, so you feel the joy of the fulfilled desire in the present moment. Many people struggle with living in the end because they feel the resistance of their current reality. They have a hard time imagining a different reality because they are so attached to their current reality. This is where self-love comes in. When you truly love yourself, you understand that you are worthy of everything you desire. You know that you deserve to live the life you want, and you are not attached to your current reality. Self-love helps you to overcome resistance because it allows you to focus on the joy and fulfillment of the desired state, rather than the resistance of the current reality. Obstacles and resistance become meaningless when you are in a state of self-love. You know that you are worthy of everything you desire, and you don't allow anything to get in your way. When you are in a state of self-love, you also understand that you cannot harm others by living your desires. You know that living your desires is not selfish, but rather a way to bring joy and fulfillment to yourself and others. Self-love helps you to overcome the fear of harming others because you understand that your desires are meant to be. You know that your desires came to you through God, and the fulfillment of those desires is always the best thing for you and others. Living in the end and self-love go hand in hand with each other because they are both about feeling the joy and fulfillment of the desired state in the present moment. Living in the end and self-love are both powerful concepts that can help individuals achieve their goals and desires. Living in the end means visualizing and feeling the emotions of the desired state in the present moment. This technique is commonly used in manifestation and can help individuals focus their attention on the end result rather than getting caught up in the obstacles of the present moment. Self-love, on the other hand, is about accepting and appreciating oneself, flaws and all. Self-love is a crucial aspect of Goddard's teachings. He believed that individuals should love and accept themselves as they are the creators of their own reality. Self-love is essential for individuals to overcome resistance and fear, which are often barriers to manifesting their desires. In Goddard's teachings, individuals are encouraged to use their imagination and to trust that their desires will manifest into reality. This requires individuals to let go of the fear of failure and obstacles and to trust that everything is working out for their highest good. When individuals love themselves, they have a greater sense of confidence and self-worth. This can help them overcome fear and resistance, which are often barriers to achieving their desires. When individuals combine living to the end with self-love, they become unstoppable. They believe that they are worthy of everything they desire, and they feel the joy and fulfillment of the desired state in the present moment. By not being attached to their current reality, individuals can let go of the fear of failure and obstacles. Instead, they trust that everything is working out for their highest good, and they believe that the universe will bring them everything they desire. This trust in the universe can be powerful, as it allows individuals to surrender control and let the universe work its magic. Furthermore, by focusing on the joy and fulfillment of the desired state, individuals can attract positive energy and opportunities. This positive energy can be contagious and attract even more positive energy and opportunities. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this quote by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.